So today's Morse code was actually 2, and I was getting questions of people asking, how do you get Ethereum? And I was wondering what was going on. Then I discovered that there was actually 2 secret code. So let's go ahead and complete spelling the Ethereum. The first part will be ETH, that you can claim 1 million. The second part will be Ethereum, where you can claim another 1 million, making it 2 million. So for the first E, we do short tap. Then for the T, you long press. For the H now, you are going to tap 4 times. Now for us to get another E, you're going to tap once. You tap once. For us to get the R, you tap, long press, and then tap to get the R. Then to get the E, you tap once again. Then to get the U, you tap twice, then long press once. Then to get the M, you long press 2 times. And that is how you're going to get your Ethereum. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget for more updates. You're welcome.